Hi guys, with another video. I just want to update this garbage disposal problem. And previous video I didn't see that here there is a hole right here. I can make it a little closer. Right there. And let me show you. Here. Here. Right there. Sorry guys. Right there. There is a hole. And that's why was leaking. Right again. Right here. See, you can tell. Previous video I was telling you guys that there is here water is coming, but I didn't see the hole. Now after that I did the video and I check it again. I saw this hole, and that's why water was leaking under the garbage disposal. And just I would like to update this information to you guys. And if the disposal is leaking underneath, there is a hole. That's why leaking. So thank you guys, and this is it. And this is the problem. Okay guys, as I said, this is the Kenmore. This is the Kenmore half horsepower, and it was leaking right under here. And what was the reason? Once again, I'm gonna repeat myself again, that right there inside there is a hole, right there, as you see. That's the reason was leaking. So alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye.